Create a whiteboard of any size on almost any surface with your Cling-rite Backpacker whiteboard roll. It's easy to work, collaborate, and create almost anywhere. Simply unroll your Cling-rite Backpacker roll onto any flat, clean surface and use scissors to cut to any size sheet, and your removable whiteboard is ready to go. Or unroll your Cling-rite portable whiteboard onto your clean surface. Hold the roll firmly with one hand and use scissors to trim to size. Smooth out your sheet and start creating. Cling-rite products never damage surfaces and they cling without any tape or adhesive. They're removable, repositionable, reusable, recyclable, and super easy to use. The Backpacker is my go-to. I toss a roll in my bag and I'm ready to create anywhere, whether it's a dorm wall study zone or a cafe brainstorming session. Check out our other videos for ideas. The possibilities are endless. Get your Cling-rite Backpacker whiteboard roll today.